Hey guys, Tim with Kirby's and Other Vacuums here. So I wanted to do a video here about my newest addition to the Kirby family. This 517, which I got off of eBay. It is a bit of a Franken Kirby. As you can see, the bag is not the right bag. Although I'm under the impression it is a genuine Kirby bag. It's got the oval, not the circular Kirby symbols. It doesn't really show very well in this room because of the lighting, but it's actually red, not pink. It's about almost identically the same color as the bag top, which does for some reason show red. I'm not sure if this is the original handle fork or not. Or, a handle, not handle fork, wow. It might be. I think it might be a replacement too. Supposedly you can tell by how far it comes down right here or something like that. Anyway, also the cord is not the original cord. The bag and the cord were kind of a gray color. And also the belt lifter is from a 560. It's not the right one, and I want to replace it anyway with the right one because this one is missing a part in it, and it's somewhat loose. I mean, it works, but if you're not careful, if you twist it all the way around, it can actually come out because the stuff that's missing. And I've tried to tighten it and everything, it doesn't tighten. And neither does my nozzle lock. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but it's kind of loose. And as a result, it makes the rug nozzle kind of limp and doesn't connect too good, but it connects okay. I mean, it doesn't lose suction or anything at the ground, it doesn't seem, but yeah. Also, I need a new headlight, and I need this trim piece here replaced because it's ripping right here, and it's just starting to right here on this side. The brush roll's in good shape, but yeah, it seems to be in pretty decent shape. It's kind of a Franken Kirby, but there's a date marked on the bottom of it saying that it was rebuilt in 76. I don't know if that was by a vac shop or by Kirby itself. Perhaps somebody who knows a bit about this bag could chime in. But anyway, without any further ado, we'll vacuum up a little bit of this stuff on the floor here in my bedroom. And maybe also you guys can tell me if I need new bearings or not by the way it sounds. I love the sound of the stuff hitting the metal fan. It's got the 10-blade fan. So that's that for now. Kirby's and Other Vacuums signing off. Have a good day, guys.